we are here at the bird paradise. I mean, it's a bit far away, but yeah, we're walking our way there. We're currently at the Vink Sanctuary, and these are songbirds. It actually looks like it has 2 beaks. What is this? That thing looks like it hasn't had iodine in a while. There's one taking right there. Is that a different bird altogether? Are you sure you were not lost? Hey, yo, where you at? Pull up. There it is. By far, that is the most impressive one. This is the Malay fireback. Yeah, peace one. Peace out. Peacock wings, as big as humans, the tail wings especially. Now we're going to Africa. Wow, it's all barricaded with a net. Yo, this bird is not scared. I'm on 1x, not even zoomed in at all. It is very close. Well, look at this one. That one's folded in half. What? That one. I did not know this mandem is foldable. What the hell? What is bro doing? Someone just lost their phone down there, by the way. Like, those people, they dropped their phone in the pond. Now, the guy's gone to get it. So yeah, we're not gonna risk it over this ledge and we're gonna leave. Look at all these nests. That is insane.
Happens to be the giants of the Parrot family. They are so strong, their beaks are very sturdy, they can even chew on unripe fruits.
Are you ready?
Toucans are known for their speed and agility. Their bodies are so flexible, they can fly through the gaps in the forest like that gigantic fruit over there. Hornbills, they are agile flyers. But first, they can catch prey in mid-flight. Demonstrate her ability. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up, up! This is Katie, and Katie here is a self-crested cockatoo. Cockatoos can be found only in Australia and certain parts of Indonesia. Sabrina, these are the Amazonas.
You don't believe me? Watch this, okay? Now, you want to face the front? Can you show Shariel how do you do the rooster?
Wow.
Well, you know his name is Amigo, right? But I thought he introduces himself again. Okay, let's try this. What's your name? Amigo! Okay, now so ladies and gentlemen, he loves to sing the birthday song by any chance anybody here celebrating a birthday to the Happy Birthday by Amigo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Every year, hundreds and thousands of these birds are being captured and sold in the pet trade. Amazon parrots can live up to 50 years. It's a lifetime commitment. And if you think you're going to make great pets, well, they won't.
That's right. So instead of buying yourself a pet parrot, why not come on down to Bird Paradise to see all these beautiful birds instead? Thank you for joining us on this amazing adventure and happy birthday!
Yo, that's a rainbow looking chicken. Do you support LGBT? He says no. Cancel him.